Hello students. So we'll be starting a new chapter called Heron's formula today in mathematics. The whole chapter deals with only one formula. Area of triangle is equal to root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. Here a, b and c are the sides of the triangle. So what we are going to do in this chapter is we are just going to find the area of a triangle in which they have given the three sides. Okay, so A, B, C are the three sides. So then what is S? S is called as semi-perimeter. You know what is perimeter, right? Perimeter means sum of the three sides, that is A plus B plus C. So we are dividing it by 2, that is why S is called as semi-perimeter. So I hope now you can understand the application of this formula. We shall see an example. So they have asked to find the area of a triangle whose sides are 40, 32 and 24 centimeters. Okay, so now first you have to find the semi-perimeter, because that is needed in the actual formula. So first you have to find the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C by 2. So you are getting it as 48. Then you have to find the area of triangle. So you have to apply the formula root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So now you have got s as 48, isn't it? So substitute 48 wherever s comes and substitute a, b, c wherever they come. Okay, so now 48 minus 40 is 8, 48 minus 32 is 16 and 48 minus 24 is 24. So you have multiplication in between these elements. So now what you have to do is you have to do prime factorization for all these numbers. So 48 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So you know prime factorization, right? This one. So I can do prime factorization. You should choose only prime factors. So 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6 and 3, 2. So that is what I have given. Okay. Likewise for 8 it will be 2 into 2 into 2. And for 16 it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and for 24 it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So please remember to use only prime numbers. Okay, so now what you have to do is when you have two numbers, you can take one number out of the root symbol. So for these two you can take a 2 outside. For these two 2's you can take a 2 outside. For these two 2's you can take a 2 outside. For these two 2's you can take a 2 outside. For these two 2's you can take a 2 outside. For these two you can take another 2, and for these two you can take another 2, and you have 3, and here also you have another 3. For these two 3's you can take 1 3 outside. So nothing remains inside the root. At times there will be some, for example, if you have into 7, you will have root 7. So if you have any number that is alone, you have to keep it inside the root. Can you understand? So now this you will be getting it as 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32 2s are 64 2s are 128 into 3. Okay. So the answer is 384 centimeters square. So this is the total area of the given triangle. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. I hope you can understand the concept behind this. Okay, so that 384 centimeter square is the area. So since they have given the measurements in centimeter, we are getting it in centimeter square. Okay, if they have given it in meter, we will be getting it in meter square. So for today's homework, the problems which I have given over here. So how we have to do? First sum is very simple. You can take 15, 11 and 6 as A, B, C and proceed accordingly. Second sum, they have given only the two sides, 18 and 10. They have not given the third side, but they have given the perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the three sides. So take this as A, take this as B. C we don't know, right? But A plus B plus C will be equal to 42, from which you can get the value of C, and then you can proceed with the problem. Same thing applies for third sum also. They have given the perimeter is 30 and they have given it as isosceles. Isosceles means two sides are equal. So they have given the equal sides are 12. So it will be 12 plus third side. Third side you should take it as C and you have to equate it to 30. That is the perimeter. From that you can get the third side. Then you can proceed with ABC. So likewise fourth sum also, they have given 8 and 11 and they have given the perimeter. So first 8 plus 11 plus C. The third side we don't know. You have to equate it to perimeter to get the value of C. So this is how you have to solve the fourth sums. Fifth sum, you have an umbrella, okay, where you have 10 triangular pieces. Okay, like this, one after the other. It is made up like this. Okay, and it is of two different colors. Like if one color is white and other color is shaded, then again white, then again shaded, so the umbrella is made like this. Okay, can you understand what I'm trying to say? So now each triangle measures 50, 50 and 20, which means one triangle, it will be 50 and this side will be 50 and the base will be 20. Okay, one of these triangles. I hope you can understand one of these triangles. How much cloth of each color? So totally they have given it is made up of 10 triangular pieces. So 5 pieces will be of one color and 5 pieces will be of another color. So what you have to do is find the area of this triangle and multiply by 5. So what you get is the final answer. You do this, we'll discuss the answers in the class. Thank you.